Hi everyone, my topic is all about coordinates of points on unit circle. So what is coordinates of points on unit circle? This equation shows that the points lying on the unit circle have coordinates x and y values that when you square each of them and then add those values together equal 1, the coordinates for the points lying on the unit circle and also on the axis are 1, 0, negative 1, 0, 0, 1, negative 0, negative 1. What is unit circle? A unit circle is a circle with a radius measuring 1 unit. The unit circle is generally represented in the Cartesian coordinate plane. The unit circle is algebraically represented using the second degree equation with two variables x and y. The unit circle has application in trigonometry and is helpful to find the values of the trigonometric equation sine, cosine, and tangent. Equation of unit circle. The general equation of a circle is x minus a times 2 plus y minus b times 2 equals r squared, which represent a circle having the center AB and the radius r. This equation of a circle is simplified to represent the equation of a unit circle. A unit circle is formed with its certain at the point 0, 0, which is the origin of the coordinates axis and a radius of 1 unit. Hence, the equation of the unit circle is x minus 0 times 2 plus y minus 0 times 2 equals 12. This is simplified to obtain the equation of a unit circle. So this is the example. So this is initial sign. Go around here is 1 over 3 and the next is 2 over 3 and next is 3 over 3. So 3 pi over 3. All around the circle is 2 pi equals 6 pi over 3 because 6 divided by 3 equals 2. So this is 1 pi, 2 pi, 3 pi, 4 pi, and 5 pi. So this is initial sign. Wrap all the way around so there's my angle determine where is this point. So here. So what is the point on unit circle? The first quadrant has 5 points that are important. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 0, 1, and 1, 0. And this other angle were found from special right triangles. The first angle is 30 degree of equals pi over 6. 45 degrees equals pi over 4 and 60 degrees pi over 3. The next things to do to know all the points in the first quadrant is 3 points each. So 2, each of these points is rational with x and y. The denominator of all points is to do the solve. This is the opposite of this angle. So is negative by 3 over 2. So This is the answer.